Hello, dear friends. This is Laboratory YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe a positive change in your life. So, the cue card is describe a positive change in your life. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say what was the change, when did it happen, how did it happen, and explain why it was a positive change. Now let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, habits play a vital role in positively or negatively affecting people's lives. Here, I would like to talk about a positive change in my life reading books. Reading books help me to grow intellectually and as a person. Mike is my best friend and he is an enthusiastic reader. He advised me to make this positive change because I was spending too much time on the computer and mobile phone. He told me that by reading books, I should learn new skills. He shared some book names from different genres like self help, motivational, biographies, and fictional novels. By reading books, I would be able to gather knowledge that would help me improve myself as a person. The main reason I developed this habit is that sometimes when I was feeling negative and unmotivated due to my health issues and some failures, the company of books really helped me to get away from the negative phase. I got a few books from my friend Mike so that I could instill this habit of reading. This helped me acquire valuable knowledge and boosted my confidence. Recently, I read a book named The Secret, which provided me with the information about the concept of the law of attraction. I still find it quite difficult to read books because sometimes it seems boring as well. But I hope continuous practice of reading books in my free time would help me to concentrate on reading. So, this is the positive change in my life that I acquired recently. For this, I am really thankful to Mike who guided me and really appreciate his advice on reading books. So, this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now, we will look at follow ups for this cue card. The very first one is your country changing rapidly? Yes, India is changing rapidly. This is because of the introduction of Western culture. People are adopting new lifestyle and in many cities, skyscrapers are being built as that in developed countries. Next question is, how is your country changing? As I discussed, people's life has changed a lot. People prefer to eat outside more and eat packed food more often rather than making it at home, which is a common thing to do in Indian families. Apart from this, the designs of cities are changing rapidly. More international stores are coming into cities where people buy clothes and do grocery as that in developed countries. Next question is, do you believe that the changes your country went through are positive? To a certain extent, changes are good because it the need of today. People are more occupied with work and therefore it is necessary to adopt new lifestyles so that they get some leisure time to spend with family. Next question is, do you think change is good? Yes, I believe this is a good change because I would not return back to the old era. Modernization is the future, and I think it's important to adopt new changes. So thank you for watching this video. We live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do like this video. Thank you for being here.